This dog breaks Guinness record. Has the world's longest ears. A dog in the United States broke the Guinness World Record as the dog with the longest ears in the world. Launching United Press International. The dog named Lou has ears with a length of 12.38 inches or 31.4452 centimeters each. The Guinness World Record says Lou is a 3-year-old black and brown coonhound. Lou's employer is a woman named Paige Olson who lives in Oregon, USA. Olson admits that Lou's ears are very long. However, due to the COVID-19 pandemic, he only measured it at home. Until finally, he decided to register it on the Guinness World Record. And proven. His dog broke the world record as a living dog that has the longest ears in the world. Olson added, Lou has also received titles from the American Kennel Club and Rally Obedience.